How to speed up Telegram downloads. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can speed up Telegram download speed. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. So first thing that you'll need to make sure is a good internet connection. For that, you can use your Wi-Fi, and if your Wi-Fi is not good enough, you can always use your mobile data. So after you've done that, after you've used either one of those, what you can do is you can head over to your Telegram. On your Telegram, you can first just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you'll need to head over to your storage. So you can head over to data and storage and go to storage users. Right here, you will see clear entire cache option. Tap on it to clear out your cache. Now, sometimes too much cache can be an issue when downloading something. So yeah, that can solve your problem. If not, just go to your app store. On your app store, head over to your search bar, search for Telegram, and download the latest version or update to the latest version. If you see an update button instead of open, tap on update and update the app. And with that, your problem should get fixed and you should be able to download things from Telegram much faster. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.